Howdy folks, welcome to Hawkmeyer Outdoors, and on this episode, we're making some campfire chili. I'm Hawkins, and that's Terry. And this is a recipe I usually make inside on the stovetop, but we're going to bring it out here onto the bill grill and try in this new cast iron pot that I bought and try it out. What you're going to do is you're going to have a pound of 80/20 ground beef. That's usually what I use. You're going to cut up an onion at the same time, and you're going to throw both of these in while the beef is browning. Just going to give it a quick dice. The ingredients that I usually use for my chili that I usually make, I like mine a lot more saucy because where we're from, we like to dip peanut butter sandwiches in there, not peanut butter and jelly, but peanut butter sandwiches in there. So I like a lot of juice. Gonna use about 3/4 of a can of tomato juice, whole can of some kind of diced tomatoes, a whole can of chopped mild chili beans, you know, salt and pepper, of course, Frank's Red Hot, lime juice, and some cilantro, and a pack and a half of McCormick chili mix. This is what I use pretty much every time for this recipe. I put a little bit of olive oil in the pan at first, so the meat doesn't burn immediately. The beef in there, and the onion. I like to chop mine up real fine. I'll keep doing that. This is about done, about ready to add the rest of the stuff in here. We ended up adding the whole can of tomato juice because this is going to simmer down and it's going to reduce. But that is pretty much it. After you add all the stuff, you just let it bring it up to a boil, and if it comes to a boil, just let it simmer there for a while, and I'm going to get this fire back up. And we'll cover it up. Put directly over the fire. Every now and then you're going to turn your pot here. Because of the fire, it's going to be not consistent in the heating. Just turn it a little bit every couple minutes, so about 10 minutes or so, just start turning it. Once you get it boiling, stir it up real good. Let it be like this for about 5 minutes or so. Just keep stirring it. Now take your lid off, and we're gonna keep it off for the rest of this. I'm gonna move it out over here. Not directly on the heat, but kind of letting it simmer for a while. We want it to reduce a little bit. While it's simmering like this, be stirring it up. I already moved it. We're gonna give it a little try. See what it's tasting like. See if we need to add anything. I added a little salt earlier. That's good. Perfect. While this is cooking up, I do want to thank everybody that's been watching, commenting, subscribing, liking all our videos. Thanks for all the support out there. Now that it's reduced down to about a fourth of it's reduced down, it's about where I like it. I've been going on about 45 minutes, maybe 50, just letting it sit here simmer with the top off. Thing is ready to serve. The whole cook time was about maybe a little under an hour. Ladle it up, put all your fixings in there, get your peanut butter sandwiches ready, and eat up. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.